Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we are here at the JavaLand exhibition hall, and we have Sven Ruppert as a guest now for the upcoming interview. And in the next 5 minutes, we will talk about how awesome it is to have a workshop here and what is his contents that you want to present at the JavaLand. So, welcome, Sven.
Oh, thank you very much.
And maybe you can just shortly, briefly introduce yourself to the audience.
My name is Sven. I'm working as developer advocate for Vaadin, and I'm mostly responsible for the area, the German-speaking areas. And it means that mostly here, I'm on community events, conferences, writing a little bit, and giving workshops.
So you will do a full day workshop this time?
Here at JavaLand, will give a full day workshop. It's with a focus on industrial environments. That's mean industrial Vaadin. We're targeting here with this workshop developers that never heard about Vaadin before, so we will really start from scratch. Means that we will start with a few components that we are adding, a button, a label, and whatever in the grids. Then we are, in a few minutes later, we are jumping to industrial related things like how to deal with different languages, how to test, how to use functional reactive aspects for different things. Mutation testing will be one part, so that you will learn how you can test your application. If you want to know more about mutation testing, that's really cool stuff. And this is more or less full day. And sometimes I'm traveling around going to other Java user groups. For example, I was just in Sofia, and then we're doing the same.
Okay, so Vaadin is a framework for building lightweight UIs with Java, basically? Or
Vaadin is a quite long existing framework. So it depends from what point of view you want to see at it. So in the moment, Vaadin 8 is based on GWT, and it's called for long-term projects or products because you can use a Java API to code. So if you want to have a button, you say new button. But now with Vaadin 10, the beta is already released. We will extend, so we are getting rid of GWT and we'll go to the Polymer stack, and that means that we are dealing with web components. Web components means you can now code completely client-side. You can use our components in your project with whatever technology, or you can code with a Vaadin Java API. And so it means over a long time the API is quite stable, and this is perfect for banks, insurance, and all this. A little bit longer existing projects.
Do you have a certain business case that you like to model in your workshop?
Well, it depends what's the domain of the people they're attending. So if you have a specific domain, we can only go there and code an example for them. So if they have a special need and the attendees are from one company and say, oh, I want to try this or that, we will do this.
What do you enjoy the most when giving a workshop?
The people and the communication with them. So this is really nice to see how fast they can ramp up and go on speed with Vaadin. And this is a very nice experience, and we can do the most things with open source stuff, so we can really dig down and see how it works, what is going on, and why something is working. We can debug everything. That's just cool.
So in general, when maybe I would run a user group and would say, hey, that sounds really interesting. Unfortunately, I could not join at JavaLand. Would there be the possibility that you also visit other user groups and give a talk or a workshop?
Sure. If there's the right time and a good place, and we will able to find a few people, and you will make sure that there's enough coffee and maybe a little bit chocolate, then we will do their workshop. This for sure.
Okay. And besides that, how would I contact you normally?
Normally via Twitter. This is very easy. Twitter, Sven Ruppert at Twitter is, or mail.
Awesome.
Or search for Sven Ruppert. I think you are able to find me in the internet.
Sounds great. So, to just round it up a bit, we are here at the JavaLand conference, and maybe you have 3 words what you would associate with the JavaLand in general.
JavaLand. Friends, community, and Java.
Awesome, that's it. Thank you very much, Sven Ruppert, to having you here. And we will see you maybe next year already.
Sure.
Again.
Thank you very much.